Hello, hello, and welcome to Nails for the Week. My name is Lori, and I hope you're having an absolutely fabulous day today. I know I am because you're here and we get to play in the nail room. But before we get started, if you're not already, please do consider subscribing. It's free for you, means the world for me, and don't forget to like the video if you liked it, share if you think it's worth sharing. So today I went to Walmart and picked this up. It is just a little plastic container. It was in the jewelry section, but it had all of these stackable um, little jars on it. And I thought I could keep my caviar beads in here. Right now I just have them in like one little thing and all the sizes are mixed together. Ugh, I was having problems. So as you can see, if you don't want to use it for that, the little dividers come out and they have all these little jars. So, yep, there's the divider. So, I didn't know exactly how I was going to do this or which colors were going to be in here. So, I just kind of got it all out of there. Whoops. And then moved that to the side. I got out all the caviar beads that I have that are just in like gold tones. I've got gold, rose gold, silvers, and steel color. So as you can see, they're all mixed together. And that little paper in there is just a little chunk of fabric softener sheet, a dryer sheet. It didn't work as well as I'd hoped it would. Everybody said, oh, it'll work, it'll work. I don't know. But we're going to try and see what we've got room for there. But before we do, I've got these two little pots that I bought on clearance at Hobby Lobby for 99 cents a piece. And they have some gold caviar beads in there. So we're going to take my little sorter tool that I bought from Amazon. This is the one for $39.99. There are more expensive ones with more plates, but I tell you what, I do not use all the plates that I have. I use about every other one because that's what the gems really need. And there are plenty tiny ones in here. Like that's a number 3 and it goes to like double or triple zero. So there is one that even the smallest caviar bead that I have will not go through there. So we're just going to throw a 5 plate in there and put the bottom on. Then we are going to yes, I forgot. So I took the dryer sheet and I wiped out the inside of it. I was hoping that would get rid of all the static from the caviar beads. And then I went ahead and wiped all of the little jars just to cut down on the static. We all know how those caviar beads like to jump all over and get so staticky, it's just ridiculous. As you can see, I'm just dumping this pink one in here. Trying to get, now all that stuff is stuck on there with static, so I thought, all right, let's just get all of it out, put it in there. Maybe when I give it a shake, it'll get rid of some of the static. We can hope, right? We can hope. Get the lid. Just give it a little shake. And there you go. All the caviar beads have fallen through the holes. And, well, I think there we go. Yeah, we must be just still checking it out. Check the bottom off. And there are the caviar beads. I'm just going to dump them in one of these little pots because they seem to be all the same size, which is perfect. Put the bottom back on, and then I'm going to Dump these back in their pots. You can see all of them are gone. Oh, it's so pretty though. Kind of a pretty mix. In person, they're not the greatest. They're definitely acrylic stones. They're not glass, which, you know, for 99 cents, you're not going to get glass. But that's the way it goes. So I'm just kind of trying to pick up all the mess and shake out the other ones from the side. There we go. Got all of it out. Don't mind that little scratch on my hand. I was playing with my cat, and she needs a good trimming. So we're going to go ahead and do the clear one now. Clear or AB? I think it's AB crystals. There's some clear in there too. So much static. I use this little sorting tool for all of my gems that I buy in multi-pack, multi-size packs. It works so good. I know it's expensive. I mean, $40 for a little sorter, but I've used it so much, it's worth it. And there's no way that I would have been able to sort out all of my caviar beads without something like this. There just would have been. But I always hated the way that, you know, when you're putting like 3 caviar beads on a nail and you've got 2 little tiny ones and a big one, and it's just, ugh. It's always been kind of a pain. A little pet peeve of mine, and so I just finally said screw it and went ahead and bought it. What do you do? But I don't regret it at all. I'm really glad that I did not buy the expensive or the really expensive, because the more expensive, they just come with more plates. And like I said, there's just no reason for it. So I took all of the caviar beads I had. I'm sorry I didn't film it, but I did run all the caviar beads through the sieve. The sieve, it's a diamond sorter is what it is. And then created little stacks. This is my like antiqued silver stack. As you can see, they're all kind of in here. That one mix is just, they're all the same size, but they're different colors. They just came like that. So there you go. All done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you're not already, please do consider subscribing and share if it's worth sharing. And I will hopefully see you in the next one. Bye!